Hey guys, this is Robert, and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, we have a case. $58 in one multifunction. Okay, so this is a phone repair kit of some sort. Has different types of bits. Some are not labeled here. Some other things here. There's a precision screwdriver. Attach it here. Let's see how this is a magnetic one. No, that's something else. Okay. The tools to separate glass from phones. Some tweezers, a brush. Pin, ejector tool, and all different types of bits. And that's it. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.